So what are we doing here, hon?
We are doing Canadian Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving today, and it is so crazy. It's the first Thanksgiving I've ever worn shorts. And Allie from Rusty Gardner's place can confirm how crazy our weather is here. But being Canadian, and Allie is Canadian, we are gonna open up her potatoes because we need potatoes for dinner. So, Allie, here we go. What do we call these? Chevy Taterly taters. Okay, so this was our compost, thistle bokashi tea, and grass clippings. So, see the grass clippings there, come over there, and here we go. Oh, and Allie, best tip ever on your last video. I went and cleaned all our stuff because the weather's been so beautiful, so I don't have to do it in the spring. So everything is nicely tucked away and neat back there. So thank you. Okay, so here we go. Oh, it's very, very, very wet. Got some worms. Lots of worms. Potatoes. Oh, this would be nice for... What are we doing with these?
We were gonna mash them, but those aren't mashing potatoes.
Oh, well, it looks like we're doing another potato video then.
Those are like beautiful fingerlings.
Yeah.
Those are roasting potatoes.
Well, sometimes plans change, but...
Yeah, but there's no room in the oven for roasting anything except the 16-pound turkey that we have in there. So it needs.
Could we put it in the compost real quick?
We need mashing potatoes. Allie, why didn't I write the kind of potatoes on the outside?
Well, you live and you learn, you know? And sometimes you don't learn, you just have fun. Okay.
There are 1 million tiny potatoes in there. And I see a giant one.
Do you?
Or is it the mother?
Nope. It was about to be the mother. These things have been in there so long. Okay. Let's give them a quick turn. I don't think it's really much.
Oh, look, there's one. There's another one.
Okay. They just keep coming.
I see another one. Boy, that was a good bucket of potatoes. The kids probably would have loved that.
Yeah, I know. They were all over it. Okay.
Well, I just saw,
beautiful now.
I just saw a small potato.
Did you?
Yeah. No,
Is that it?
no, that was a different one.
Okay. Well, I ain't gonna break a record, but it's gonna be delicious. So that's really all that matters.
Okay.
That is. Oh, lettuce. Okay. Random. Okay, so we got to get another potato. It will be our last potato harvest, which is gonna be awesome. So here we go. We got another one. One of our favorite guys ever, Steve from the garden. And these are Johnson Tater Sioux. Steve is a very good composter. You guys should go check him out. Awesome gardens too. Awesome. Got a killer pond. Yeah, so this is blood, fish, and bone homemade compost. And hopefully... Oh,
Do they look like baking potatoes?
I don't see red ones yet. I see green ones, but not red ones.
Oh,
but that's
boy.
okay. That means we're doing all right. Okay, you ready? Oh, I feel like this one's gonna be pretty wet too. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we have
boiling potatoes, kids.
right.
Thanksgiving is saved.
Oh, seed potato. Oops. Whoops. These ones definitely, I think.
We're in there too long?
Yeah. But that's
Does that look like enough for mashed potatoes to you?
enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
There's one right there.
Okay, so I think that's
Perfect.
3-4 pounds.
Probably.
So we'll get we'll just do a quick couple weights,
Yep.
and then yeah, we'll do a wrap up video another day. We got a ton of stuff to do today.
Yeah, we
so,
do. Okay.
So yeah, nice little harvest.
Perfect.
Allie, thanks
oh.
for the tips.
Yeah, no
Love
doubt.
it. Steve,
And
thanks
Steve,
for the tips.
man.
Awesome. Awesome.
And we have one more bucket, don't we?
Yeah, we do. We have the Potatosaurus Rex, but that's gonna be another day.
It's not today.
Andrea, digging for health. Yeah. We try to grow potatoes in hot compost. So, we're good for pumpkins. We'll see how it works for potatoes.
All right.
Okay.
Let's
so
go
let's
cook
go weigh
these up. Yeah, and cook them for Thanksgiving.
Boom. Okay. So we'll do Allie's. Right?
Yeah, let's do Allie's first.
Okay. Here we are. Let's weigh them. What do you think?
4.5.
4.5.
No, I'm really tired. But I'm guessing
3.13.
Okay.
3. Yeah. Minus. Okay. Yes. Right. It's been tared. Wow. 412.
4 pounds 12 ounces.
Yeah, almost 5 pounds. A
Wow.
little bit of dirt. You knock off whatever you want. We'll call it 412 though.
Okay. And
Steve's? I think maybe a little bit less. Maybe
slightly less. I'm saying 4.
Okay, I'm gonna go 5.1. First time for everything. Oh, it's not 5.1. It's 5 on the. Oh, it's 5.007. So, but yeah.
5 pounds, 0.7 ounces?
Yeah.
Is that what that says? Okay.
Yeah.
Delicious.
No, it's not 5 point. It's 5 pounds, 0.7 ounces.
Ah,
So yeah, awesome.
perfect.
What a great
5
potato year.
pounds.
Yeah.
I can't wait to add these up. We got one more.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
I gotta clean these,
Okay.
and we got to get them in a pot because
Yeah.
we're having Thanksgiving dinner in a couple hours.
Okay.
So cool.
Delicious.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Allie, thanks for your tips. Steve, thanks for all your tips. We really appreciate you guys. If you got any comments or anything like that, please. We love it. We just love it. So happy Thanksgiving from Canada. Stay awesome.